Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Destiny and I'm back with another video, okay? So my last video was ridiculous. My audio was horrible. I don't know, the lighting was all jacked up. Right now I think I got it right, so I was like, why not make a video? I came up with this look. I really wanted to do something a little bit different. In the future I actually want to work with like more colors, so like more like neon colors, you know. I want to go out the box a little bit. I want to show you guys that I can do more than just like, you know, like a natural beat. Like I'm gonna go all out for you, okay? Don't worry, we gonna get there, okay sis? We just gonna take some baby steps. But anywho, if you want to know how to get to this look, then hello, watch the video. How else are you gonna learn how to get the look if you don't watch the video, sis? Come on now, let's get it together. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, sis, all that jazz. Let me know what videos you guys want me to do, because I will do them for you. What you think I'm here for, sis? I'm here for you. Let your girl know what you want me to do, and I'm gonna do it. Or I'll attempt to do it. Like, if I never did a look like that, trust me, I'm gonna practice, okay? I'm here to grow. I want to be a better artist, you know? Hello? I want to be great, so I need y'all to help me be great. I'm gonna let y'all get into the video. I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to be safe, okay? Hey everyone, welcome back. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows just to speed up the process because you already know I'm gonna be here forever and a day trying to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. So today's look, I'm gonna be using two palettes by Anastasia. I'm gonna be using the Modern Renaissance and the Norvina. I don't know what I want to do yet, but I'm wearing black and white, so I think I'm gonna try to keep it simple. But I say that all the time, and it does not work out like that. So, because I'm kind of in a rush, I feel like I'm gonna make a mess. Like I have some powder sitting right on the edge of the table, and I'm just waiting for myself to knock it over. For the first shadow, I'm gonna go in with Eccentric. This is from the Norvina palette. So you guys know how like the other day when I was talking about my nails or whatever, and I was like, oh, you know, I messed up one of my nails, blah, blah, blah. Tell me how I did it on this hand. I messed up this one, like this one lifted. I had to keep my nails somewhat, you know, close. So I wasted like half a box of Band-Aids trying to keep both nails together. But then today I really just stuck some nail glue and just, you know, pin that back. By the way, in my last video, and I'm really upset because I like the video, I like what I did, but my audio was just beyond messed up. My audio and my lighting. I really wanted to post the video because I needed some type of content out there. So I don't know, I feel like I might delete it. Yesterday I was like playing around with my mic and everything, and I finally got it to like, you know, work. So my audio should be fine for now. I'm working on it. Like I said, y'all, I am not the techiest girl in the bunch. It's never good to be in a rush because now I'm like dropping everything. Like, what the heck? I'm gonna go in with Real Gar. This is from the Renaissance palette. So yeah, I've been thinking about my next couple of videos. I'm gonna do a Christmas look. It's gonna be really cute because I have it in my head how, like, what I'm gonna do, and hopefully it comes out that way. But yeah, you know, it's that time of year, so you know we have to do a freaking Christmas look. Come on, don't act like that. And with this whole thing going around, I'm not really in the Christmas mood, but I'm gonna make myself get there, okay? I'm gonna put myself in a Christmas mood. I have a couple of palettes that have a lot of neon colors in them, so I think I'm gonna go out the box and do like something neon. I'm gonna go in with Passion. This is from the Norvina palette. By the way, I did reach my goal. I wanted to reach 50 subscribers by the end of December, and I actually reached that goal like 2 days ago. When I first started making more videos, I started back with, I had 15 subscribers. So what is that, like 35? I'm not good at math, but is that 35? I don't know. So I feel like that was pretty good. You know, I feel like we could do better. It's cool, we gonna get there. Baby steps, sis, baby steps. I really need like some nail inspirations for my nails. I want to do something Christmassy. Like I want to do like red. I think in my Christmas look, I think I'm gonna put on red lipstick. I never wear red lipstick. Like never, ever, 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 ever. wear a red lipstick. I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber. You know, I live in Florida, right? So it's getting kind of cold. Like when it gets cold in Florida, it just gives like people a chance to wear some of their clothes. Girls are bringing out their Uggs. Like, you know, it's cold, but it's not cold cold. I'm gonna go back in with Eccentric, and I'm just gonna blend out my crease. I have a horrible habit. When I'm done with an eyeshadow brush, I put it down and I forget where I put it. And I swear it's like right in front of my face majority of the time. I'm kind of upset with myself. I'm not really mad, but it's whatever. I kind of switched up my eyebrow routine. I'm gonna make another eyebrow tutorial because I'm doing something different with my brows because I'm trying to grow them out a little bit more. Oh my gosh, when I like cut my crease, I swear like sometimes it comes out different and that makes me so mad. But like I said, I'm kind of in a rush. I usually start my makeup around like 12 o'clock. That gives me like at least an hour and a half to make a video. I'm gonna put this glitter shade on here. Celestial, I think that's what it's called. What it looks like. It's like a cute little purple shadow. Yeah, I feel like I do a lot of looks that are kind of like more natural and everything. So I think I'm just gonna switch up. I like other, you know, colors like blues. I have a thing for like neon greens. I feel like those look really pretty on the eyes. Right now I'm just going back in with those same shadows that I used before just to deepen everything up a little bit. I am so ready for 2021. I feel blessings and everything coming my way. Like, you can't tell me nothing. Like, even with everything going on, like, you know, we still have to have some type of hope, you know? Like, all these negative thoughts, like, they're just not allowed in 2021. We're gonna leave that on December 31st, okay? Because January 1st, is nothing but positivity. I'm gonna let you know right now. So I'm actually done with my eyeshadow and I'm really surprised because I usually take longer than I do. Well, I was gonna maybe put on some individual lashes, but I know I don't have time for that. So I'm just gonna put on some lashes. I'm gonna go in my trusty cup of lashes because every time I'm done, I always throw a pair of lashes in here. I don't know why I do that. It's a really horrible habit. I'm gonna go in with two primers that I usually use, the NYX and the MakeUpForEver. I was on TikTok yesterday and I saw this girl. She was doing her makeup. She mixed her foundation with a little bit of setting powder. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. Since it is kind of like the winter, I'm gonna switch up my foundation. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna do a pump of this SuperStay, this Maybelline. So this is what I have. I'm gonna mix the powder and the foundation. I'm so scared, oh my gosh, because I don't know how this is gonna come out. Y'all pray for me because I don't know what this is gonna look like when I blend this out. I guess it makes it thicker. I'm gonna spray my beauty blender with some setting spray. Like, who came up with this hack? Like, what are you guys doing to like find this stuff out? Ain't no way nobody's just sitting around their house. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna put setting powder in my foundation. Like, don't forget the NYXs because we don't want a different color neck. I don't want nobody on the street trying to point out my foundation. Like, no, that ain't cute, okay? Don't do that. Don't do that. Alright, for highlighting and contouring, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. concealer. This is the 16-hour camo concealer. I'm going to spray my face really quick. For an extra, a little bit lighter underneath the eyes, I'm going with the Juvias Place concealer. I'm going to bronze my face. I'm going with this Milani bronzer that I have. I like to spray my face after I put powder, and then just to like go over with a beauty sponge just to make sure I set any excess powder. Waterliner from my eye. Do you guys recommend any good ones? I know Kat Von D has some good ones, or even like a good a drugstore one. I'd rather cheap 99 than anything, you know. Cheap 99. It's only cheap dollars. Okay, I'm being stupid. I'm gonna go in with some eyeshadow underneath my eyes. I'm gonna go in with Real Gar. It's like an orange shadow, and I'm just gonna put that underneath. I'm going to use my Revolution, the Sun Kiss highlighter. This is in the shade Ice Kiss. Ice, ice, baby. I'm a mess. I'm a mess. I'm a whole mess out here, guys. Does somebody want to be a whole mess with me together? Probably not. I wouldn't ask you to do that. I'm really rushing. Like, I usually highlight, you know, with time. I take my time to highlight, but now I'm just throwing this damn thing on. You know, I can't forget the brow bone. Come on now, you know we cannot forget a good brow bone highlight. Like, what? Like, you see that? You see that? Ugh. I like to spray the brush I highlight with. I feel like it kind of activates it more. I'm gonna line my lips with my NYX lip liner. This is in the shade Toast. I've been loving this lip liner. Like, for some reason, I cannot put it down. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Suede Liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Sandstorm. Right, so this actually completes the look. I'm loving this purple. I think this is so cute. Let me know what you think of the video. Don't forget to show your girls some love. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, give the video a thumbs up, all that, sis. Come on now. Don't act like that. Well, you know you want to see more videos. If you have any suggestions, comments, advice, or you just want to say hello, then let me know in the comments. Say hello. Let me know how your day is going. Let me know what you're doing for Christmas. Tell me your New Year's resolution, okay? I want to know it all. Don't forget to be safe, wear your mask. You know, sis, I need you here. I need you happy and healthy. So wear your mask, be careful, take care of your loved ones, you know? Just be safe. Come on now. Ain't nobody trying to catch coronavirus, okay? We'll see you in my next video.